guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start a live process for a short revision. And first point is nutrition is the process of transfer of energy source from outside to the body of living organism, providing energy necessary for performance. Basic life processes like nutrition, respiration and reproduction, etc. Nutrients are the energy providing substance which consumed by living beings. Autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is mode of nutrition performed by green plants, some basic bacteria, etc. for manufacturing their own food from inorganic sources, that is CO2 and water. The organisms are called autotrophics. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants synthesize organic food as carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, water, CO2 and some other raw materials. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the site of photosynthesis present in leaves of plants. They contain a green colored pigment, chlorophyll, that traps the solar energy from sun. Heterotrophic nutrition. The heterotrophic nutrition cannot synthesize their own food but are dependent on the autotrophic for their nutrition. It can be three types: holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition and parasitic nutrition. And nutrition in amoeba. Nutrition in amoeba, which unicellular organism gather and ingested food with pseudopodia. It lacks a special organ from nutrition. Nutrition in human beings involve a breakdown of complex substance ingested from outside in the body by different parts of alimentary canal. Human digestive system consists of alimentary canal, that is a tube-like structure consisting of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. And mouth is the digestive first part of the digestive system which help in taking of food. And through the tongue is muscular organ wearing a taste buds. It's also help in mixing of chewed food with saliva. Teeth help in the chewing of food. Mouth opens into buccal cavity and further opens into the pharynx. Esophagus or the food pipe help in the transfer of food down the stomach, G-shaped organ which store the particularly digested the food entering through the food pipe. Intestine is the main organ of digestion and absorption. Intestine is longer in length compared to large intestine wall. Anus is the end point of the alimentary canal from where the waste of removed out from the body. Digestive gland are the salivary gland, gastric gland, and along with the pancreas and liver. Salivary gland is in mouth. Secretes saliva containing salivary amylase which help in digestion of starch. Gastric gland present in stomach secrete digestive juice containing pepsin, HCl and mucus. And liver is the largest gland of our body and in it secrete bile juice for emulsification of fats. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice containing trypsin, amylase and lipase enzyme. The process of digestion in all involves ingestion, that is intake of food by the mouth. Digested absorption, passes of digested food from alimentary canal to blood. Assimilation, distribution of digested food to the cell of the body, and digestion, elimination of the undigested food waste from the body. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe my channel.